Bonjour classe, comment ça va? Est-ce que tu as faim? J'ai faim. Let's talk about food. Okay, class. J'ai faim. I'm hungry. And we're going to talk about different French foods that you can find typically at a French cafe. So, if you ever get a chance to go to France, you'll be able to eat. Classe, répétez après moi. J'ai faim. Tu as faim? La nourriture. La nourriture is nourishment, food, and that's what we're going to talk about. Quand on est faim, on peut commander une pizza. Une pizza. Un sandwich. Un sandwich. Un croissant. Un croissant. Une salade. Quelle jolie salade. Un steak frite. Yep, that's steak and fries. Un steak frite. Un steak. Un hot dog. They literally took the English word. Un hot dog. Same here. Un hamburger. Pronounce it with a good French accent though. Un hamburger. Une glace. Une glace. Est-ce que tu préfères une glace au chocolat, une glace à la vanille ou une glace aux fraises? Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry? Très bien. Une crêpe? J'adore les crêpes. Une crêpe. Une omelette. C'est évident. Une omelette. Maintenant, j'ai soif. Est-ce que tu as soif? So when we were hungry, we said j'ai faim, like famished. Now, soif. Don't know an English word that this is like, but it means thirsty. Soif. Un café. Un café. Un thé. Un thé. Notice how that's pronounced. Thé. Un chocolat. Un chocolat. Une limonade. Une limonade. This picture really is a little deceiving because limonade in France will get you a lemon flavored soda, so it'll have bubbles. It won't be like the traditional American lemonade. If you want an American style lemonade, you order une citron pressée, pressed lemon, un citron pressé. Voilà. Un jus d'orange, un jus d'orange. Un jus de pomme, un jus de pomme. Un jus de tomate, un jus de tomate. Un jus de raisin. Don't let this word trick you. What are raisins? Dried grapes. Jus de raisin, grape juice. This is the white grape juice, I think, in this picture. Un jus de raisin. Oh yeah, it says raisin blanc. Voilà. Voici beaucoup de nourriture qu'on peut commander au café. Class, you might want to take a minute here, pause this screen, and quiz yourself. Go ahead, hit pause. What do you see in the picture? How many of these can you name en français? Once you're done practicing that, let's talk about going to the cafe, because when you go to a cafe, you have to be able to order. Au café, the server will probably come up to you and say, tu veux, or more likely, vous désirez. We'll talk about this in class, but tu veux is a very informal way of talking to someone. So maybe if you're with a friend, they'll ask you what you want. Tu veux, or qu'est-ce que tu veux? What do you want? The server at a restaurant or cafe would instead use the word vous désirez, because that's more formal, it's more polite to use the word vous. We don't have this in English. We have one word, you. But here in France, they have the informal tu and the more formal, vous. Vous désirez? What would you like? To order, there are a few things you can say. Je voudrais. Répétez après moi. Je voudrais. I would like. Donne-moi. Give me. Donne-moi. And then don't forget your manners. S'il te plaît. Or if you want to be extra polite, use this word again. S'il vous plaît, for please. Super bien, class. Keep practicing your foods and drinks. Ordering in a cafe. We'll get to do some more practice with this in class. But in the meantime, here's another screen full of food. Take a moment. Do you remember what these things are? Can you name them all in French? Quiz yourself, practice, be ready for class when we go to a French cafe. Merci. À bientôt et au revoir.